Hi all, myself Chunki Das. First of all, I would like to congratulate each and everyone who has joined this LMF workshop, 5 days LMF workshop like me. And my heartfelt thanks to Jagan, who has created and designed this beautiful course for the non-technical person like us. Really, I never thought I can make websites, I can edit them, and so many much learning. It was not boring at all. Every day new beginning, new learning, new task that made us more excited each and every day. And I can add one more thing. Jagan as a person is very much soft-spoken, very much punctual, and very much a proper person. I felt after so many research, he motivated each and everyone. So I hope we can start our small business from this to this. I'm looking forward to you, Jagan. We can learn a lot more things from you. So thank you.